The internet has made it easier than ever to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Here are 5 ways you can start making money online today. First up, online surveys. There are a number of websites that will pay you to complete surveys. While you won't make a ton of money doing this, it's an easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer a variety of surveys for you to complete in exchange for points or cash rewards. Next, online tutoring. If you have a skill or subject you're knowledgeable about, consider becoming an online tutor. There are plenty of platforms that connect students with tutors, such as Chegg and TutorMe. You can set your own rates and schedule, and help students from all over the world achieve their academic goals. Third, is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products on your website or social media and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique link. It's important to choose products that align with your brand and values, so your audience trusts your recommendations. Affiliate networks like Amazon Associates and ShareASale make it easy to get started with affiliate marketing. Fourth, freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services as a freelancer on websites like Fiverr or Upwork. This allows you to set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. With freelancing, you can work with clients from all over the world and build a portfolio of work that showcases your talents. Finally, e-commerce. You can start your own online store and sell products through platforms like Etsy or Amazon. This can be a great way to turn your hobbies or passions into a profitable business. You can also use drop-shipping platforms like Shopify and Oberlo to sell products without the need for inventory or shipping. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money online. Remember, these methods require effort and dedication, but with some hard work, they can help you achieve financial independence and freedom. Follow for more.